Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Halloween with Cinnamoroll. So let's get started. To draw this cute white puppy from Sanrio, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So let's come right here and draw a big oval. Start a curve, bring it down, and curve back up to connect. Now let's go right across, nice and wide. So say about right here. Go ahead and draw another oval. There, so my two ovals. From there, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw this wobbly mouth. So say about right here, I'm just going to start and wobble towards the center and then wobble back out. There. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come out, say about this wide. Same thing here, about right here. Same thing on the other side. And I'm basically going to draw my usual dumpling shape. So it's going to come out about right here, a little bit wider for the cheek area. And then about right there, I'm going to start to go around the eye. There, and I kind of want to say about, let's find my center about right here. I'll just give myself a point, kind of like where I want my curve to go for the chin, and let's connect it. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever helps you to draw this curve. So let's bring it down. And connect. So I'm drawing pretty big. It just helps when I give myself points to see where I'm going. From there, let's bring this up a tiny bit more. Just bring it in, and same thing here. So now that we're done with that, we're going to come back up and we need to draw the rim of our hat. So I'm going to come about right here. Just imagine it's coming up about right in this area. Not too far up, just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and just draw this curve all the way across, right there. Then from there, let's bring this curve out just a little bit so we give ourselves some room for the ears. So same thing here. Then let's go ahead and I'm just going to bring this up, round it off, bring it up. And same thing here, round it up and bring it up. And I'm just going to go ahead about right here, connect it. And down. There. Just want to draw this little rim for our hat. Then from there, I'm going to come into this space. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and just draw the witch's hat. But since I don't want to erase, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle right here for the center of our bow. And I'm just gonna swirl in here to make it look like maybe a lollipop. And then let's draw some loops for our bow, just to spruce it up and make it extra cute. So we're just gonna pop it in this area right here. And then now I can go ahead and I just want to make sure my hat is as wide as this, and we're gonna go up. So I'm going to find my center and go up to say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. It's easier for my hand to come down. So I'll just give a little curve at the top and connect. So I'm making the hat a little bit roundish, so not too angular. And I'll just, whatever space I have left, and connect. And then right about here, and go ahead and draw a curve to complete it. And then of course our ears. So let's come back about right here and I'm going to go out. And let's bring it back to about right here. So let's see. How long do we want to bring out our ears? So say about right here, nice and round. And bring it in. I've drawn so many cinnamon rolls thanks to all your love for them, that it's definitely getting a lot easier to draw the ears. So definitely keep practicing. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come about right here, same thing, and I'm going to pop out the other ear. And once again, so say about right here. Just make sure it's about the same length. So you can always kind of measure. You can kind of go like this and this, right? So about right here. So approximate. Let's do that again. So here, here. So about right there. Let's bring it in, just approximate. You just don't want one that's extra long. That would look weird, right? Okay, sorry that took a long time. There, got the other ear. Okay, finally done with the head. So now let's draw the super cute body. We're gonna come about right here and here. Kind of maybe the edge of the eye. And let's pop out a curve for this pumpkin suit. And let's keep going a little bit more, about right here. And then from there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to just draw a curve and a curve. Coming down, and then about right here, I'm going to end it. So draw one curve, another curve, and then another one, just to give our pumpkin some definition at the bottom. Then using this curve, I'm going to come out and draw this ovalish shape for the foot. So same thing here. The top is a little bit more pointy and a little bit rounder and wider towards the bottom. There. Okay, so cute, right? And then let's come back up here and we're just going to draw the hands, come down, round off, and bring it in. Same thing over here. Down, round off, and bring it in. And we better not forget the tail, very important tail. So right about here, just going to draw, see if I'm drawing a big circle and a curve. There. And now to make this part super cute, we're going to come into this area and draw the eyes and mouth for our pumpkin. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw oval. And about here. Now I'll go ahead and shade this in. And then the mouth. So right in the center, I'm going to draw a straight line right under here. And then we're going to come down, up for some teeth. And then go up a little bit right there, and then connect it with a curve. There. And let's shade this part all in so you can see a little bit better. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you've been following me and loving all these cinnamon rolls. Which is your favorite one I've drawn so far? Okay, so then now with that, I thought it'd be really cute. Just add a little triangle here for nose. And a little curve here and here for the eyes. And then let's come back here and we're just going to draw two curves just to give our pumpkin suit here a little bit more definition. And here. There. And let's see, are we missing anything? This comes through. You see a little bit here. But that is pretty much it. You know what? I have to add a heart somewhere, right? So I'll add a heart right here on Cinnamoroll's foot. There. And that is pretty much it for Cinnamoroll celebrating Halloween. I really hope you love this drawing that brings a smile to your day, and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.